Hi, good morning. My name is Muhammad Aizat Hakim Beroslan. I'm from DKM 5A. My matric number 09DKM19F2031. Okay, I want to present accident at construction site in Malaysia. One foraging worker dies, two injured, another Malaysia construction incident. Kuala Lumpur, one worker Bangladesh died and two workers were slightly injured when metal scaffolding and light rail transit LRT construction site collapsed on Thursday, July 29. The collapse occurred in Bandar Bukit Tinggi in Kelang District, Selangor, and was the fifth industrial site incident in Malaysia this year, with the authorities promising tighter checks to prevent future mistakes after each incident. The remains of the Bangladeshi who was trapped under the debris at the site of the LRT Phase 3 project were recovered at around 4 p.m. on Thursday, according to the Malaysian Fire and Resource Department, as quoted by the Star Daily. Two fire engines, one from Shah Alam and one from Port Klang, rushed to the site after receiving a distress call at 2:41 p.m. In earlier incident this year, part of construction in a new building for Power Alternative Tenaga Nasional in Kuala Lumpur collapsed on January 9 kills a Bangladeshi worker. While on March 23, three workers were killed when a crane dropped on the Sungai Besi Ulu Kelang elevated highway construction site. Meanwhile, on July 17, a section of the LR3 section collapsed near Meru in Klang with no injuries reported, with two workers were injured on June 19 when a section of scaffolding collapsed along the Damansara Shah Alam 11th highway. Three workers from China killed in construction site incident in Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur, three Chinese nationals working to help build an elevated highway in Kuala Lumpur were killed when a large crane structure crashed onto the ground and flattened a car below. Malaysia media report on Monday, March 22. Three people in the car were injured, officials said. The horrific incident following another 3 weeks ago when two women in a van were crushed to death after scaffolding from a section of a bridge along the same new highway collapsed and fell on the van after being hit by a trailer lorry on March 3. Speaking about Monday accident, Kuala Lumpur Fire and Resource Department Chief Nordin Muhammad Fauzi was quoted by the Star Online News as saying three died. Will the driver of the car was gravely injured and has been seen to the hospital. Two other workers has been rescued. It was not clear where the three Chinese workers were when the crane structure failed. The crane was of the several large machine being used to build the Sungai Besi Ulu Kelang Elevated Expressway or Suki to link areas in southern Kuala Lumpur to the east of the federal territory. Malaysia Kini News reported that the three killed were employees working on the construction project to die on the spot, and the third man was later reported to have died. Mr. Nordin said there were difficulties in retrieving the third body at the accident site, the Cheras district, due to stability issue and the weight of the crane. Okay, these two crane collapsed which killed an Indonesian worker and injured three other yesterday, courtesy of PDRM. Okay, this side, the iron structure that crushed the worker to death at a construction site along Jalan Kuchai, Maju, Kuala Lumpur, PDRM page. Okay, this is a graph. According to National Occupational Accident Statistic 2022, accident at construction site is place note 6 mass occurred accident in Malaysia with 32,674 case with fatality number 312. Okay, manufacturing incident is 10,303. Number fatality 83. Service 8,008. Fertility 53, construction 3,958, fertility number 81. Okay, wholesale and retail trades 3,429, fertility 10, fancy insurance real estate and business service 2,218, fertility 13. Okay, agriculture, forestry and fishing 2,106. Fertility is 50. Transport, storage and communication 1,440. Number of facility 13. Okay, hotel and restaurant 585. Fertility 3. Utilities 505. Number of facility 3. Okay, mini and quality 122. Fertility 3. Okay, this graph 2012 until 2020. Okay, number accident rate. Okay, yang ni number of facility rate. Okay, thank you.